St Barths by Barclay Butera. Take a deep dive into luxuriously tropical St Barths. This bedding collection soothes in rich texture and vibrant colour. The Eurosham sky blue fabric is amplified by a botanical border detailing and contrasting coral accents. St Barths decorative pillows bring a splash of colour with their tropical embroidery and give the collection a light, playful quality. The hand-painted bolster pillow adds a subtle romantic touch with its botanical motifs and lively bohemian tassels. Reminiscent of the light linen textiles of the Caribbean, St Barths duvet cover is a sun-drenched speckled cotton, perfect for pairing with crisp white linens and tropical print accessories. Transform any space into an elegant island retreat with charismatic St Barths.